Our story begins in 1931 on a train speeding through Alabama. 9 black teenagers, including Haywood Patterson, were riding the rails when trouble came knocking. Literally.
Hey, you boy, you're under arrest for something.
What? I didn't do anything.
Such a point. We'll find that out later. Now get off this train before I make you punk.
What?
The charges? Rape. Completely made up and unsupported by evidence, but Haywood and the others didn't stand a chance because the system wasn't built for fairness.
Now, Alabama isn't exactly the best place to be if you're a young black man like Haywood Patterson. Why? Well, he and 8 others, known as the Scottsboro Boys, are on trial for their lives, accused of a crime they didn't commit.
So, how do you think the trial's gonna go?
Yeah, trial's gonna go good. Oh, by the way, them boys don't got a lawyer.
What? They don't have a lawyer? The trial is starting today.
Yeah, we'll figure that out later.
Figure that out later? This is a death penalty case. But that's exactly what happened to Haywood and the others. They didn't even get to talk to an attorney until the day of the trial. Their lawyers knew nothing, not their names or their side of the story.
Now, when Haywood was on trial, he didn't even get a real lawyer. His defense attorney was, how do I put this politely, useless.
Your Honor, the evidence is clear. These boys are guilty because we'll just let it out. That's not even evidence.
Objection?
Overruled.
Seriously? That's all you got?
Haywood didn't even meet his lawyer until the day of the trial. Unsurprisingly, he was found guilty and sentenced to death. But the fight wasn't over yet. All but one of the boys were convicted and sentenced to death. The convictions were upheld by the Alabama Supreme Court. Upon appeal, the U.S. Supreme Court reversed the convictions in a 7-2 decision, ruling that the defendant's right to effective legal counsel had been violated, constituting a denial of due process. The decision established the precedent that in capital cases, the lack of adequate legal representation violates constitutional rights. The case went all the way to the Supreme Court. The question was simple. Did Haywood deserve a real lawyer?
After much deliberation, we found that yes, he does. Denying someone proper legal counsel violates the 6th Amendment. Finally, someone with common sense.
Ugh, I guess fairness is the thing now.
This decision wasn't just about Haywood, it was about everyone. The Supreme Court ruled that states must provide real lawyers in serious cases. It showed that the Constitution protects everyone, not just the rich or powerful.
Good, because that trial was a hot mess. For real, but now there's a chance for justice to fight.
This case set the foundation for future rulings, like Gideon versus Wainwright, which guaranteed lawyers for all criminal defendants. It proved that fairness in the courtroom isn't optional, it's a right.
Yeah, I guess you people want fairness now, but can I go?
We're not done yet. This case changed history. It reminded America that the law is supposed to protect everyone, no matter what.
Okay, fine. I'll promise to be better.
Powell versus Alabama in 1932, the case that ensured the right to counsel in capital cases and laid the groundwork for fair trials across America.